majorly when you are down the body, if you see, as I told you, it is moving forward, there is some kind of issue. Moving forward means it need not be financially. It can be at home, there is some kind of pressure is going on, and I am not able to decide, I move out of this house or something like that, or move, anything it can be. Okay, if you talk about headache, just, it can be anything. But what happens usually is, sometimes, for a normal person I am talking about, like for a hypnotherapy person, if you ask, immediately I'll take 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to find out why this particular ache is there with me right now. Okay, it will just be less than 5 minutes. It's like onion peeling technique. This EET, it's like an onion peeling technique. You've seen the onion? Okay? So now I'll start with the EET technique, which is, which will just take out one side of the layer of the onion. Okay, and then it will immediately, what this EET does is, this subconscious mind, this is conscious mind, I start the EET consciously. This particular technique, emotional empowerment technique it is. I start this consciously. Okay, so as I am doing it, I blow out whatever emotions are there on whatever thought I have. I just say, okay, fine. I start that with, even though, I have this particular pain, I choose to heal and integrate that part of me. Most of the people, they don't accept themselves. How can I have this pain? I do so much of exercise, I do so much of, dieting, but still I have this pain. It doesn't mean if you do exercise, if you don't do, that's all for fitness. Okay? Fitness is different and healing is different, yeah. Oh yeah, cancer, all. You talk about cancer, you talk about kidney stones, you talk about liver, anything, any problem, heart also. Like just if there's a time, if time permits, I will just give you some insights, how we can, how it functions. Okay, this particular technique works like, then I start going deeper and deeper into my subconscious mind. As I am taking this one part of the onion, I am going deeper and deeper into the subconscious mind, and I start tapping those files which are affecting me, and every time I remove one file from my system, again I am removing one, again it will go negative, again one negative is gone, again one negative is gone, and then finally I come to the core issue, that is called core issue. Core issue, which is, caused me that problem. The first onion, the first layer is called the presenting issue. Okay, you come to the hypnotherapist with a problem ki I have this issue, I have this pain, and it can end up something else only, core issue. And you, for your surprise, it's completely gone. The core issue, when you tap that core issue and when you eradicate that core issue, automatically you have that problem which you have come with, the headache or the body, any ache whichever you have come out with, that's completely out of your system, and it will never come back. It will come back again if you feed those thoughts into your, again, if you again give, it's like it's a garden. Our mind is like a garden. Whatever I seed, okay, will grow. Whatever I seed will grow. Whatever seed I saw will grow. It doesn't have any choice. You seed saw mango, this thing, it will give you mango fruits. You give neem, it will give you neem. But the problem is, we ourselves, we don't know what we saw here. Okay, the problem is mainly with ourselves. We don't know what we saw here. we plant the neem tree seed and then we expect a mango from that neem tree in our life. Okay, that's what we do majorly go wrong in our life. Because of that, again, I start getting aversion. Oh shit, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, but still I'm not getting a mango. Whatever mango tree ke liye banta hai, everything I have done, but I'm not getting a mango. But you don't even know that your seed is of neem. Okay, so there itself is a confusion. That confusion is enough for creating a body talk. Then one day it will come out. Because every time you are getting irritated, it is not coming, it is not coming, mango is not coming, mango is not coming, mango is not coming, and neem is there. Neem is there, you don't see the neem, you are just waiting for the mango. Okay, and then it will create so much emotions, it will store in one part of your body, store. Then, as I gave the example of the train, the more people getting into the train, the more emotions getting into that place. One day it will burst and then it will start coming out as a what do you call it, this thing, a pain or ache or injury or anything. I mean, like I just went blank as I was talking. Okay, what happened? I was out of words. I got choked. What is that? That is also body talk. Okay, I just got choked as I was presenting this throat ka area. I got choked. Okay, that is also body talk. You don't get words. Sometimes suddenly you will feel ki, oh, I am out of words. I cannot speak. You want to tell something but you cannot speak. That is also body talk. Okay, but we don't give importance to such things. We just say, okay, fine, it is there. Okay, I couldn't speak that moment there. I don't know what happened to me. We just say that and we just finish it off. Actually, that is a body talk which, my throat has blocked me from talking. Every part of your body is intelligent. It knows what to speak and what not to speak, and what, what emotions and what thoughts you have, and what emotions and how many emotions you have stored, and it comes out. Any questions so far? No. Yeah. Yeah, see, every, like, human body, like, everywhere, na? See, majorly, I'll give you major things. This particular area, if you have some problems, okay, and these are hands. I'm talking about this particular body, this particular part. See, like, whenever you have, a sinus or your, what do you call, any eyes issue, your ears, this comes under one particular sector that is called crying syndrome in your life, And when it comes down, this particular part from my neck, from my, what do you call, like this. This particular area, okay, completely backwards gives you a kind of guilt when there is major guilt, okay, and lower back, it is as per the function of your body, like the spinal cord. If you say the spinal cord is a support system for my body, if I have a spinal cord problem, then I have some kind of support system in my life. The spinal cord is talking. Okay, and slip disc, if you talk about the backside, slip disc majorly is of again financial issues in your life, support system in your life, or again it gives you a kind of another thing is sexual guilt. Having multiple partners, and you have that sexual